The day the dinosaurs vanished, unveiling the cosmic collision, in the annals of Earth's history, a cataclysmic event forever altered the course of life, culminating in the mass extinction of the dinosaurs approximately 66 million years ago. While the prevailing theory attributes their demise to an asteroid impact, the unfolding narrative of that fateful day reveals a fascinating and unprecedented tale of cosmic collision. On that ancient day, an asteroid, measuring about 6 miles, 10 kilometers, in diameter, hurtled through the vast expanse of space. This celestial projectile, now immortalized as the Chicxulub impactor, embarked on a collision course with Earth, setting into motion a chain of events that would reshape the planet's biosphere. As the asteroid approached Earth, it entered the atmosphere at a staggering speed, releasing an incomprehensible amount of energy. The sheer force of the impact created a colossal crater, now buried beneath the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The Chicxulub crater, discovered in the 1970s, became the enduring fingerprint of the catastrophic event that unfolded on that momentous day. Upon impact, the asteroid unleashed an inferno of heat, igniting wildfires that swept across continents. The atmospheric shockwaves triggered by the collision reverberated globally, setting the stage for environmental upheaval. As the debris from the impact enveloped the atmosphere, it created a shroud of darkness. Blocking sunlight for months, the abrupt cessation of sunlight plunged Earth into a profound and extended winter, disrupting ecosystems and drastically altering the climate. Photosynthesis, the foundation of the food chain, ground to a halt as sunlight became a rare commodity. In this stark darkness, plants withered, leading to a cascade effect that reverberated through the entire food web. The iconic dinosaurs, once rulers of the prehistoric world, found themselves ill-equipped to survive the dramatic environmental changes. Their colossal size, which had once been an evolutionary advantage, became a liability in a world grappling with scarcity and ecological collapse. As herbivores faced dwindling vegetation, carnivores, in turn, struggled to find sustenance. In the wake of this cosmic collision, the age of the dinosaurs drew to a close. While some species managed to endure in niches of the changing landscape, the majority succumbed to the relentless challenges imposed by the aftermath of the impact. The once thriving ecosystems of the Mesozoic era collapsed, marking the end of an epoch and the dawn of a new geological era, the Cenozoic. Where mammals would emerge as the dominant life forms, remarkably, the impact that extinguished the dinosaurs also set the stage for the rise of mammals and, eventually, the evolution of humans. The void left by the vanished giants paved the way for the diversification of life, offering opportunities for smaller mammals to fill ecological niches and flourish in the altered world. As we delve into the ancient echoes of that cataclysmic day, the story of the dinosaurs' extinction unfolds as a cosmic drama etched into the geological and biological fabric of our planet. The Chicxulub impactor, once a harbinger of devastation, becomes a pivotal character in the grand narrative of Earth's evolution, a testament to the interconnected dance of celestial bodies and the enduring resilience of life in the face of cosmic upheaval.